First thing, you always keep in mind that you have to start with the smallest prime number. So you are going to try out by 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay? Have you all understood? So first of all, if it is getting divided by 2, you start it with 2 only. You need not think of 4 at all. If some odd number comes, then you can look here. Swapnil, no talking there. For 3, you can have the divisibility test. For when you are trying out with 4, you try out the divisibility test. So we are doing these sums now. You all do it with me. Come on. The first number given to you is 422. Correct? Have you written the number? Come on. Divide it by 2. Why? Because you know the last digit is 2, which is an even number and which can get divided by 2. So divide it by 2, write it beside also. Yeah. Soham, have you solved?
Yes.
Very good. Then what is the answer once you divide it by 2?
211.
212.
Yes.
What is 200? Sorry, 211. What is the answer? 211. Okay, just tell me, children. Now, pay attention. 211. First, you try out by 2. Is it divisible? No. 3. Is it divisible? 2 plus 1 plus 1.
Yes.
3 and 4.
Yes.
Without thinking, don't give me the answer. 2 plus 1 plus 1. The number comes 4. The number comes 4. Can the number get divided by 3?
No.
No. So this number cannot get divided by 3. Can we divide it by 4? Check last 2 digits. No. Can we divide it by 5? No.
No.
6? No.
No.
7? Say the table.
21.
Can you divide 111 by 7? 7 threes are 21. 1 is left. No, you cannot. 8, no. So all the that we have ruled out. It cannot get divided by all these numbers. It means what, children? It means what? Vikram, someone is talking at your place. Please mute your audio. Can you divide 211 by any other number then?
One number itself.
Yes, so it is a prime number. It is a prime number. So, we write the next step. 211. 1 is the 211. 211. Ones are 211. Can you see my board?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So, therefore, what are the prime numbers of number 422? Prime numbers of 422 are which? Tell me. Right there. Prime number Sanga na 422 say. You have written with the factor tree also. You know how to write the prime numbers. Come on, tell me, Swapnil, which are the prime numbers? Therefore, prime numbers of 422 equal to 2 multiplied by 211. Understood? Have you understood? See again. Ask yourself. Get it in your head. On asking to yourself. Okay. Done. Okay. Now the next number is 5 140. Next number is 540. Come on, try out.
Yes, 0.
See the number. B. B is 540. Can you see? Solve the number, children. First, which prime number will you take? First, which prime number will you take? Come on, tell me fast.
Yes, I can be counting.
Arey, I want interaction. Tell your parents not to talk there or mute your audio. The class is getting disturbed. Come on, 540. What is the last digit? It's 0. Can 0 get divided by 2? Yes, because 0 is an even number. So see over here. See here where I have solved. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. Write it beside. 540 divided by 2. What is the answer? Answer comes at 270. Answer comes at 270. Correct? Written? Everyone has written?
Yes.
Very, very good, children. Okay. Again, the number is 270. We know 0 can get divided by 2 as it is an even number. Again, take a smallest prime number. Santa, no one will talk. Again, take 2 and divide 270. What is the answer now? 135. Divide it by 270 divided by 2. Answer comes as 125. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, and 2 fives are 10. And 2 fives are 10. The way I am saying, you all go on saying to yourself and divide it. Now 135. Can we divide the number? By which number we are going to divide now? By which prime number?
3.
Yes. I have done it by 3, but you yes, do it by 3. Do it by 3. So the answer comes at 45. Answer comes at 45.
It's a prime number.
Yes. First you try out by 3, then answer comes as 45. Which is the prime number now? 45 is the prime number. You can divide it by 5, child. You divide it by 5. 5 is the last digit. You know you can divide straight table of 5. 5 nines are 5 nines are 45. Write it properly. And now the number we have is 9, which can get divided by 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. For this, you need lot of practice. Today, I am going to do division sums. Okay. Again, 3 is there. We are going to divide that 3 by 3. 3 threes are 1. Sorry, 3 ones are 3. Sorry, 3 ones are 3. So, and it comes as 1. At the end, it comes as 1. Check it out. Check the answer. Therefore, now tell me the prime numbers. Prime numbers is talking at someone's place. Mute your audio. Siddharth, Swara, someone is talking at your place. Rajvardhan. Siddharth, you haven't given me the message. Okay, therefore, the prime numbers of 540 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3
आई पानी दे
multiplied by 533. Anyhow, you can write. Okay, you can take 5 at the last, you can do it by 3 first. Anyhow. Okay, now the last number. Shall I tell you again? This is 540 sum. Shall I write it again? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, do it again. You do it with me. Chalo, 540. First, you are going to divide it by 2. First, divide it by 2. Okay, I'll write it this side. 5 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. Answer comes as, come on, first step, 270. Answer comes as 270. 270 now. Yes, write it like this. Write it like this.
Answer comes
Wait, Shreyas, wait, let everyone write. 270. Have you written up to this?
Yes.
Everyone has written?
Yes.
Okay. Now, again, we are going to divide it by 2 as the last digit is 0. We know it can get divided by 270 divided by, hey, pay attention here. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 fives are 10. So, you divide 270 by 2. Answer comes as 135. Everyone has written? Go step by step with me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Now, first we'll try out by 3. Add the digits 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9. So you can first take 3 also. So take 3. 135 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. So your answer comes as 45. See here, the next step. 135 divided by 3 is equal to 45. Correct? Written?
Yes. Yeah.
Chalo, write it properly, write it here. Again, you add 4 plus 5, 9. You can divide it by 3. So first we'll try out by 3. You know the table of 3. Yes or no? Okay, you divide by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. So write for 15. See my work and go on writing. Write it again. Because first time I don't think so you all have understood and you all have written. So go step by step. Written? Prapti, have you written? Swapnil, Siddharth, Bhavesh.
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes. I don't want any other sound there. I want only your answer. 15 can get divided by 3 also. So write here again 3. 3 5s are 15. Written here. Written. Sarthak, can you see this? Yes, Soham, can you see this? Okay. Now, 5, you know it's a prime number. 5 1 5. 5 1 5. And these are all the prime numbers. The circle one are all the prime numbers of 540. So you are going to write it properly, one after the other. Soham. Therefore, prime numbers of 540 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. As if I have written it up on the blackboard, you all write it. Say and write. Understand, right. We have done this. You must pay attention. I have now talked to you each step. You've solved it with me, right?
40 divided by 2 is 270. 2 is 135. 135 divided by 3
Written? Have you all understood?
is
Come on, hurry up, children.
divided by 5 divided by 5.
Only 3 sums we have decided to do, or what? Hurry up. Written?
Yes. Yes, I understand.
Why are you taking time to solve all the steps together? Only now prime numbers I have written at one go, and I have told you how to write it on your own. I have circled, I have written, say and write. One asking the questions like I speak to you. Written or not? Okay, now tell me, have you all understood? What you have to do? You have to find out the smallest prime number, divide it only while writing. Don't forget any step. As I said, this needs only practice. Okay. Now, one more sum is coming to you. Now the number is 81. Number is 81. Write the number.
The number is
81. 81 can get divided by 2? No. Last digit is 1. We cannot divide it by 2. But we can divide it by 3. Why? 8 plus 1, 9. As we know the divisibility test of 3. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 can get divided by 3. So we will divide it by 3. Correct?
Yes.
Yes or no? Very good. Okay, now. Divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. And 3 7s are 20. Yes. 3 7s are 20. Very good. Again, it's for everyone. If you have solved, that's really good. And you should try on your own. This is a help for you all. Okay, again, 27, you know that can get divided by 3. It comes in the table. So, 3 9s are. Again, 9 can get divided by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3.
त्याने मला फोन केला म्हणलं की ते म्हटलं नाळेचं म्हणजे झालं माझं कालचं एक लेक्चर घेतलं होतं
Who is talking at someone's place? Come on, complete it. Therefore, the prime numbers of 81 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Correct? Have you all understood? Now, Come on,
Yeah.
write down the numbers there. Write there HW. Write there HW.
Start.
Homework. First number A.
Hmm.
The number is 284. 284. Second number B. 105.
Teacher, division method.
Yes, division. So I have given in the same context. You need not write the heading. You start solving now only. Third number C. C is 381 and D.
So what is
D
D1?
is 92. D is 92. See the four numbers if you have not written. I have given you four division method sums. The numbers are these.
381. This I have wrote.
Okay. Children, actually I thought I'll start the next part, but I don't want to start it till you all understand this. Okay. So take first number 284, B 105, C 381 and D 92. Start solving now. Start solving now. Go on talking to yourself. Last digit is 4. It is an even number. I can divide it by 2. So first take 2.
Yes.
Start solving now. I am here only. I want to see your work. I can call out any child and tell the child to show me the work. Now only everything is fresh in your mind. Start solving. Hurry up, hurry up. Don't waste your time. Chalo, chalo, hurry up. Your video should be on. Keep your videos on.
Which number?
Who said which number? Who said which number? I said those numbers twice. I opened my book and showed you the numbers. What you were doing? I have given you homework. I have given you four numbers. You are going to have it in the division method. Come on and start solving that homework part now. First is the number is 184. See the numbers here. The one who asked me now. B 105. Copy down the numbers now. C 381 and D is 92. Which numbers? After discussion also you are asking me this. This is something. Rajvardhan, someone is talking at your place. The one who asked, have you jotted the numbers? Shraddharth, where is Siddharth? Where is Siddharth? He was there. Very good. If you children are solving so well, I'm really happy. Come on. You could have done the first one.
Teacher, your network bandwidth is low.
Hurry up, hurry up. Have you found the first one?
No, teacher.
Have you found the first one? Why no? So still let's
I am
talk
solving.
for that.
I am solving.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Don't take too much time. Come on, divide it by 2. What is the answer?
The answer is
Why are you wearing mask now? Okay. Fine. Anvaya, okay. Something is there. Okay, no problem. Anvaya, are you getting it? You were there now? Okay. Chalo. 284 divided by 2. What is the answer now?
142.
2 ones are 2. Very good.
142.
142.
42. And then next
Again,
answer
you
is
have to
71.
divide it by 2.
The answer is 71.
Then, yes. Very good. And
21.
once you divide it by 2, answer comes 71. Can 71
And
get
the
divided by any number?
3.
Tell me, 7 plus
3.
1, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. Can you divide 8 by 3?
No.
Then,
No.
can you divide 71 number by 2? No. Can you divide it by 3? No. Can you divide it by 4? No. 5?
No.
No. 6?
No.
No. 7? 8?
No.
9?
No.
Then
No.
then what?
One
Then what?
number itself.
Yes. So it is called
One and
as
the
a
number
prime
itself.
number.
Number
It is
itself.
called as a prime number.
Prime number.
It can get divided only the number itself. Okay. So 71 ones are 71. Prime factors of the number 2 multiplied by 71. See here and solve.
Yes. Teacher, my answer is correct.
Very good. And so
Also.
now see the next number. Go on next number. 105.
Less than 1 minute.
Let it be. You start doing your work. Don't worry about the time. Worry about your work. You are going to complete it and you are going to get up, even if the Zoom ends. 105. You will start by which number?
2.
3.
Correct. You cannot. Then try out by 3. 1 plus 0 plus 5. Yes, you can